As a leader, my business, my own business, na be for make sure say we provide a level playing field so that the election conducted will be accepted by everybody and it will be credible in the eyes of even the one them where they say we're not glady. And I promise you now, and at that I do, we're gonna put local. I provide a list, and then people then they do a great job. I want to say thank you to IMOC for conducting a very peaceful, clean, and credible election yesterday. Now, so all other elections then for the day. We person win, make it no say a win. We person not win, make it no say, may go back to and delegate them. But not for heap fat or for create problem. So beyond business, now be for make sure say we create a level playing field. And we have been talking say as I be all the contestants then, and not in any small measure, because I know them very, very well. I find it very difficult for make a come openly for campaign for anyone against the other. I therefore make sure say I talk to them all and give them the spirit for me them go out there, the democratic spirit for go out there knowing that they can win or lose and for accept the result. My business was to make sure that that result is credible, and we delivered that yesterday. To Rosamond, the deputy, I think for all the time where I don't know Rosamond, they contest for different positions there, but they lost. He always they lost. But I never see a long immortal in common at this party. He go tell you now, he don't contest for several positions there. As a teacher, any SLPP matter you go see and they, and for all the time we meet on the SLPP, now one of the people that way they lose elections until this recent one, who now don't decide for compensation. Congratulations. Now for the one day where he lost election, they begin create problem. But that make they recognize them, and that is true. Everybody, like I say, including the national women's leader now, he don't did at the party for a very long time, and we need for see people the hand where would they put them now the four we want for make them lead with. If we don't sabi in leadership skills, but you know they just come on any side, he come either with money or plenty talk, they will not elect them. We will do that mistake now this party. And before I forget, I also want to say thank you, Fatmata Bokari, for accepting gracefully that not the SLPP spirit. Me wait him up now, not just win. I don't lose, or then be say I lost before I can now. But I accept them, and like I have been saying now, Putloko, sometimes you accept for peace. And for you people them. So I want to say a big thank you for gracefully accepting the fact that you lost the election and come back and take part in this particular ceremony. I want to say a big thank you to all the women them. Not true, Hawa, where I've been talk say, made the woman they get a separate wing. I see grab. Now that hall, he said, no. You see the one for Pului. The one for Pului. I'm happy that he said the talker now. But I say, how you know the members say, when I need for choose your own leader. When they choose a women's leader, 80% of the delegates then amend them. Today, when I don't get the freedom, when I don't get the space, when I don't elect your own leader, we need for provide support for that leadership for make it succeed. And the women's wing is supposed to be a very powerful wing of any party when it is organized and properly led. Today you have the opportunity, when I don't get the opportunity for choosing your own leader, and we go create a council around them, and we need for give them the support for make them able provide that leadership necessary for make we continue for function as a very big part of the Sierra Leone People's Party. For me, it's a big achievement. It's a shame we're not able to complete it in Kailang, but we don't can here. But Madam First Lady, I go say, may we wash with dirty linens in-house. A lot of problems they happen. I cannot stand here and talk about them. I know them. I've not been there inside the hall, but I follow through on that one and a hallmark of leadership now for take your issues and deal with them at the right point. When we team up now with the talk to the whole world today. And some of the things we say will be used against us. Yeah. And you cannot, because they are authoritatively coming from us. So there are times when it's necessary for say certain things and you for know who say for say them. That make, I don't want to dwell on Kailang. We correct the mistakes in Kailang. This is not politics. Everybody get right for belong, who say want for belong. And not the use of violence and the other things then, I'll be totally there against that. And we make arrangements yesterday for make sure, especially when a women's wing, we don't get that kind of situation in there. So, not that we sleep, but I'm not alone. What you don't do is, because of poor management of your own party, me get for common as head of state every now and then for go govern the party day to day. Day to day. I wish the national leadership be the function very well. It is not my business to do the day-to-day running, that for provide political leadership, strategic leadership for the party. But I get for virtually attend every meeting for make chaos not commodity. Yep. So we need for rise up to the occasion as a party. We are 70 years old. I keep reminding everybody. We're not for the compare we self. We're not the near the other party them. Nope. So for me, today, now a big day for come present on our leadership, the very first leadership, just fully elected by just women. Just women. Now don't choose on your own leadership. Now we have the national elections. Again, we provide media, make sure say we provide the same level playing field. May everybody go there, then go vote without them the vote. It will be peaceful because Mr. Segefo did it. That's right. They then turn away, then they go through it, this and that. I think we don't grow now as a party. We for the set an example and make sure say when they say election, not to violence, not to cause, especially inside the same party. I want to appeal to the leadership for make we all, the election is over inside the women's wing, for the women's wing leadership. What do we need for do now? Now for here, we are going to need every woman in the Sierra Leone People's Party for come together and support Hawa and Rosamond. Yes. When you climb here or where you fight for go up, it's different from where you up the where you try for maintain stability. So we're not the big one them, and every other person, then inflammatory statement. It's not easy for lost election. It's not easy for lost election. That person now wounded leopards already. No joke. Any election, however big or small, not to a very pleasant experience. So we not go add rob pepper day again. By certain statesmen, that election is over. This is democracy. Now that make yesterday, now me tell and say, now one box they team up before everybody in Yai. Now they then the opener, now they will not the vote. The only secrecy now where they choose your candidate. That now the only secret, and then it's universal around the world. You choose And before everybody in Yai, so all the claims, all the pictures, all the theories where they come, nobody not get them yesterday. Before everybody in Yai, they boxed him up, una all put and they before everybody in Yai, they open and then count them. So now, una go rest. If anybody been win, if we been declare any winner, na Kailan, we go still go get the problem today.
Yes. That's right.
Now that make a talk say it should be cancelled. Yesterday, you go grumble, you go long mouth. But you go accept say, maybe me delegate not be fair with me, or I not been get enough delegate there. So now this type of level playing field, we for provide. And at that I do. So I want to say a big thank you to una all for the way we conduct ourselves yesterday. Where violence be done, they come in, it's not easy for wipe them out. But I mean for toxic, they go pepper. We also been get countermeasures. You possibly believe yourself, may go outside the woman in the day, may go through a pepper. Me not been truly think say we forget the kind chaos we ensue na Kailan.